Coming up.
Buddy.
That was awesome. Harrison, look over here.
I already know that didn't work.
Well, what happened?
It fell!
Fell from right up here somewhere. Maybe right there, maybe.
Yeah.
And what are we going to do today? This big branch. We're going to get this big branch, and what are we going to do?
Cut!
We got to cut it up, huh?
Dad, I can use my baby saw right there. Whoa.
Whoa.
Boy, that's heavy.
It is heavy, yeah. It's long and heavy.
You can use a big one. I can use a wee one.
You're going to use your handsaw, and I'm going to use the bigger chainsaw.
Yeah.
And we're going to cut this up into smaller pieces. Whoa, so we can get rid of it. Maybe some of it we'll even keep for our fire, huh?
Yeah, we can keep some for our fire.
Like the bigger part here.
Yeah.
All right, so
Oh, we did get cooking.
I'm gonna get the big chainsaw, okay? Let's get the chainsaw together.
Oh, get happy. Wait, why are the lines here? Oh, that's mine.
Oh yeah, you drove your car earlier, so it left some lines in the grass because the grass has some water on it from being in the morning, huh?
Yeah. It's deep.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's raining and got water and everything.
Come on, we have to hurry before my suit is wet.
Your shoes got a little wet. All right, let's find the chainsaw.
This is good.
It should be right there. Look at that.
This is everything to hold it.
Yep, that's how you hold it. Come on, bring it up.
Okay. I'm walking away from you. Daddy.
There we go.
Okay, this is where you put a battery?
Yeah, that's where we put the battery. And you know what? We need to check the oil.
You can go test it over there, Daddy.
I'll just check it right here because if we need it, then I want to get it. Looks like it has some oil in there.
But we might
Not
need
a
some
lot.
more.
Yeah, I think, let me see if I have some more. It has some, but not very much. This isn't really the right kind of oil. That's more for...
What about a bottle oil?
Huh?
Look at this one. It contains ones.
This is gas, actually. It's, yeah, you're right. This is it. Look at that. Good job. Where'd you find that? Right there on the ground. Okay, yeah, no, this is it. Bar and chain oil. Good job. Yeah, you know where to look for. Why don't you open it up? We'll put a little oil in.
You know how I know that was it?
How?
It was the same reaction you did.
Ah, because we used
Can you
it
make
before.
it so really good? Good.
All right, we'll put a little bit in there. Let's try that much right there. You know why they need the oil?
Why?
It keeps the bar and chain lubricated so they work smoothly and don't lock up.
Oh God, don't turn that backwards.
Right.
God. Okay, gonna cut that.
Well, it doesn't have a battery in it right now, so you can do it.
Oh yeah, okay, I can push it back.
Yeah.
This is heavy. We're gonna keep that oil with the 1 ounce of oil.
Yeah, I probably didn't need to bring it, but I'm gonna put it right here. You're gonna put the battery in? It goes in kind of sideways. There you go. And then you should hear it click. Oh, well, it clicked. Yeah, there it is. Okay, it's ready to go.
I'm gonna do one. We cannot put our hand on that when that's on.
No, of course not.
No. Can I do one? Can I hold it on for 1 second?
Uh-huh.
That was loud.
It is loud. That's why we're gonna have ear protection.
Yeah.
And
am I gonna be loud? And
yours is gonna be a little loud too.
Why not?
We have ear protection and eye protection.
But I don't have eyes.
That's for yours. Let's try this one. Try this on. Is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know they know.
Here, let me help you get that on, yeah. So,
Daddy.
what?
Okay, what are we going to do right now? Cut.
Yeah, we're gonna cut. But we just need to move it a little bit out of this area so we have some space. Look how long that is. All right.
Oh, it's out. One piece off.
Good.
One piece off.
Yeah, bring that over here. All right. So you want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get yours. Pick it up.
Okay.
Okay, be very careful when you hold it.
Okay.
Hold this bottom part only, no
Okay.
buttons. Okay, now come over here.
Okay.
How about we start like in the middle?
Okay.
So like right here. Now push the button.
See that?
Yep.
I think you should do some.
I should do some. Yeah, it's cutting. It definitely is cutting. Look at that.
Yeah.
But it takes a minute or two. So this one, you want to see how fast this one goes?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to put on my ear protection. You can use this a little bit too if you want.
Yeah, I'm just taking a bit.
Okay. That was pretty fast though, right?
Yeah.
You want to turn?
Yeah.
Okay, so come over here.
Okay.
All right, let's do it right here.
Okay.
Put your hand here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do it, pull it. Good job, look at that. That was fast. It cuts it up really quick. And look, here we go. We got a piece.
Okay, now I just need to cut that off.
Yeah, this one you could cut off with your small one, I bet. You want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second, all right? I'm gonna hold it up
Okay.
and then put your blade down right there.
Okay.
And now you can start. Yeah, see, it's cutting. It's cutting. Look, it's almost all the way through. Where does that need to go?
That needs to go up there. That built them sorted out.
How about you get your car, your truck, and we put it in there, and you can put all of it in there.
Yeah, and then I brought it over
Yeah.
there.
Why don't you bring over one of your dump trucks? You need to get your water to drink.
Well, we have to stay hydrated and eat healthy food and healthy stuff. I'm having healthy stuff.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna cut some more,
Yeah, you're gonna keep cutting when I'm.
and you'll bring over your dump truck for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my dump truck over right now. I did have to put my water down.
All right, we're gonna cut this up into smaller pieces, and then also cut up this part here into some smaller pieces. So let's get cutting.
Look at that. Well, I think you should cut it right here,
Okay.
and then you can cut right here. Then gonna be the smaller piece.
Like pieces there. Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good idea. All right. I'll be right. I'll get started.
Okay. Zombie guy! Zombie guy! Zombie guy coming over! Yeah, zombie.
All right, we're gonna load the wood in here that we're keeping.
Yep.
All right.
All of what we are keeping is going in here.
Yeah. So next one, this one. And then these, we're gonna just cut up into smaller pieces.
Yeah, There we go.
Yeah, good job.
Now you can do some.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the big piece.
I have a few pieces for you.
You can bolt them in.
Here's one piece. Here's another piece. And this piece, what do you think?
No, that you have to say, is this okay?
Yeah, is this okay? Is this
Yeah.
piece okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
All right, it'll burn in a fire. Okay, give me a second here. Two pieces.
Thank you.
Wow, look at.
We turn it over.
Okay, we have two last pieces.
Thank you.
Where are you going to unload them? Let me go see where you unload them.
Now you can follow me. All people will be here to pick them up and put them up.
Oh,
So you
okay.
can wait, right?
All right, we're going to unload them up here eventually.
Yeah.
Okay. We actually did use last winter some of the wood that we cut.
Over there?
Yeah, there's some pieces over there still, but when we had to do this last winter, we used some of the wood too.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go get a bag for this part of the branch, so we can take it away. All right, we got a bag. Got a bag, Harrison. All right, last pieces, and then we're gonna go to the dump. All right, we're all done with the chainsaw now. It's time for some fun outside in the water, playing some water games, huh? We haven't had this guy out in a while, and you have your water guns. You're getting the slip and slide ready.
There you go. Is that awesome?
That was awesome.
What? Why did that happen?
But Harrison, is this a good way to relax after doing all that work with the chainsaw earlier?
Yeah!
I bet. Whoa! All right. What do you want to say to everybody?
Thank you for watching. Have a fun day. You're going to have fun too. Have a fun. Yay, for fun!